Look, there's two people right there. Hey guys, do you want to answer some Tulane trivia questions about sustainability?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Dylan.
And we're the TU Social Crew.
With the Future of Energy Forum coming up,
We're putting students to the test to see how much
They really know about energy.
Let's go!
Which energy source is always making waves?
That's kind of cryptic.
Light. So close.
sound.
We said sound.
I said renewable energy.
The answer was actually water and hydro. That is correct. Good job. High five. Do you want to answer a trivia question?
Yeah, I would love nothing more, honestly.
Okay.
What color is often associated with clean or eco-friendly energy?
I'm gonna go with green.
Green. Green is correct. Good job.
Where on campus can you find solar panels?
Okay, flip in 3,
2.
1.
Richardson Memorial.
Paul Hall?
Dinwiddie.
No.
Yes! You guys are both correct. It's in the comments. High five.
Great guess. Great guess.
Let's actually see how much y'all know. What is this year's Future of Energy Forum theme?
Powering the future.
Innovation, competition, and collaboration.
That's correct.
When is the Future of Energy Forum happening on campus?
I think we're ready.
3, 2, 1.
September 10th through 12th.
We'll see you there.